Hello children, this is your history subject and we are studying the lesson the Indian subcontinent and history. In this lesson we have studied the meaning of history and geographical condition and the course of history. In that we have seen the relation between history and geography. Also we have seen geographical features of India. In that we studied about the Himalayas, the plains of Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra, the Thar desert and the Deccan plateau. Let us study about the coastal regions. From the time of the Harappan civilization, ancient India had trade relations with the western countries. This trade was carried on by sea. Therefore, India had developed contact and interaction with foreign cultures and people at the seaports. Later on, land routes came to be used for trade and transport. But the importance of the sea routes did not diminish. See the pictures of coastal regions in the map. Western coast and eastern coast are shown. Now see the islands in the sea. Andaman and Nicobar are the Indian islands in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep is a group of Indian islands in the Arabian Sea. The location of these islands may have been important in ancient sea trade. The manuscript Periplus of Erythraean Sea or Handbook of Red Sea makes a mention of Indian islands. It has been written by unknown Greek sailor. Here map is given and observe it. In Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island and in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar are given. Some pictures are provided here. Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. Let us see the Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in today's Pakistan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as the Indian subcontinent. The Harappan civilization had spread mainly in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. China and Myanmar are our neighboring countries. They are not part of South Asia or the Indian subcontinent. However, they had cultural and trade relations with ancient India. They have an important place in the study of ancient Indian history. Dear students, we will stop here and you have to write the answers of these questions.